Mitsubishi, make the Katana 1, start your right brake. Katana 1, start your brake. Katana 1, start your brake. Katana 1's on the brake. Mitsubishi, welcome to the show time, left the next start surface. Left start, thank you. Simon, welcome to the show. Mitsubishi over to work. Mitsubishi, that just landed. You said that move too close. Katana, report a 3 mile final. Katana 1, extend downwind. I'll call your base. Katana 1, extend downwind. I'll call your base. Katana 1, extending downwind. Everybody that's coming inbound from 5th of the East-West Road, stay at 1,800, and you're going to be on the left base for 36 right. Stay at 1,800. There's going to be a flight at 280 at 1,300. My Katana flight, make sure you're 1,300 feet or less for a 3 mile final for runway 36 left. In traffic, going to be above you at 1,800. My aircraft that's on the left base for 36 right. Stay at 1,800 until you're on the final for 36 right. You're clear to land 36 right on the red square. Acknowledge. Katana 1, turn base. Katana, turn your base. Katana, turn your base. Katana, base turn, 36 left. And my guy that's on the left base is on a 36 right. If you can, talk to me back. 36 right, 85 whiskey. 85 whiskey, great. Red square, you're clear to land. After you land, high-speed taxi all the way to the end. Katana flight, as soon as you're under control, the next left hard surface and follow the flaggers. I have some aircraft that are holding over Warbird Island. I'm going to call you to make sure that we have our list correct. So I have an L-17 at the island. Affirmative, L-17. Okay, and I got who else at the island? Got a great T-6 in trail behind the L-17, Warbird Island. Who's in trail of the L-17? Valiant 486. Valiant 46. Okay, what's your type? Bravo Tango 13. Okay, and I got a T-6 at the island holding, correct? That's affirmed, sir. L-334. L-17, I want you to make straight into 36 right and report a 3 mile final, L-17. Yeah, you missed the MU-2 that's in front of the L-17 as well. Katana 1, looking for clearance land, 36 left. Katana 36 left, clear to land. Katana 1, can speed up pattern and all, sir. Bravo Whiskey, high-speed taxi all the way to the end. Anybody that's inbound on the Warbird Island, just hang tight just a minute. I need to get cut up. I got my L-17 is making a straight into 36 right and reporting a 3 mile final. And then Valiant, I want you to go to 36 left and report a 3 mile final. Mitsubishi, leave the island, 3 mile final for 36 right. Don't stay it back. There's a lot of people on the frequency. Who's holding at Fond du Lac? One at a time if you can. Kodiak holding Fond du Lac 3,500. Okay, I got a Kodiak at Fond du Lac. Who else is holding at Fond du Lac? Gray L-29, 3,000. Gray L-29? Correct. Gray L-29. Who else is holding at Fond du Lac? White Silver. What is it? Cirrus demo? What kind? What vision?
We're the ditch.
Okay, hold over Fond du Lac. Anybody else holding at Fond du Lac?
Vision good. Cirrus demo.
Okay, I heard another vision demo. Who is that?
Gray and white, here's vision good demo, Fond du Lac 3,200.
Okay, anybody else, if you are on the Warbird Island and you're not holding yet, stay away from the arrival and we'll call you back.